Look at this certified pre-owned 2010 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck. 2WD double cab standard bed 4.6-liter V8 grade Natl. This Tundra 2WD truck has just under 1,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets 15 miles per gallon in the city and 20 on the highway. This Tundra 2WD truck boasts a 4.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle comes equipped with power steering, AM/FM stereo, air conditioning and driver airbag. Call 888-879-0128 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.